Are you ready, guys?
Ready?
Oh, we should practice.
Practice?
Now,
Yeah, we got time.
you know
Ready?
who's going to be whining in the background.
Big Mac. Big
I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Come on, son, no feet, come on. Okay, we got it.
Okay.
Got it?
We
We got it, okay.
Morning, how can I help you?
Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac. Big Mac.
I need a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Come in front, son, no seeds on the butter. We up in this drive-thru, order for two. I got a crib for number 9, like my shoe. I need some chicken up in here, in this square. Where's my nizzle? At the salt on the grizzle. That's a pepper, my brother. Another for your mother. Double, super size, and don't forget the fries.
Crispy.
Okay, now do it with breakfast food.
I'm sorry we're not that prepared.
Hamburger for Shadow.
Get us you got hamburgers yet?
We don't have lunch until 11.
Okay, get a sausage biscuit.
Now do it. You guys have to come up with one.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, now do it for breakfast.
No.
$1.06 is the first
Beautiful. We
That
are
was round 2.
That was round 2. Now we gotta get a breakfast one.
Let's make our own breakfast one, okay? We need a breakfast one. Grayson's come up with a breakfast one.
I keep thinking they're going to get mad. They like it.
We always make people's days. They just love it.
Okay.
How about we come back through for dinner?
Yeah.
Beautiful, Kenny. We are
That's
truly.
I need a double